So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to demo what the warrior series are, starting from warrior 1 all the way to reverse warrior. I'm going to show you what alignment would be the proper alignment in your body and what you should focus on. Inhale, right leg high. Square your hips. Exhale, low lunge. Step your foot in between your hands. Now, this is where you're going to step your back leg out and in just a little bit, okay? Step it out. Keep your foot at a 45-degree angle. Goal is to keep your hips squared. Some people end up like this, but this isn't what you're looking for. You're looking for this, okay? Once you're here, inhale, shift your arms, lift your arms to frame your face. Rotate your pinkies in, relax your shoulders down your back. Pull your core in, so keep your core engaged, and press firmly into the back leg, okay? Keep your front knee stacked over your front ankle. Exhale, warrior 2. This is where you're gonna send this back leg out, and you're gonna connect your heel to heel, okay? Keep your front knee directly over your front ankle and press into the outside edges of your back foot. Now once you're here, engage your core, tuck your tailbone just a tad bit, and lift your arms in opposite directions. There should be so much force in your arms, you can imagine being pulled into opposite directions. Core is fully engaged, knee is tracking over my front pinky toe, and I'm pressing into the outside edges of my back foot. I'm gonna take a big inhale. Send your arms long, press your hips back. Now, plant your right arm or your inside arm to the inside of your front leg and lift your opposite arm long. And I mean pull, so you can lift up your side body. Some people, you will find yourself like this or a bit like that. No. This is the goal. Lift. Lift from your side body and pull. Remember to keep your knees stacked over your front ankle and lift. Inhale, rise, reverse warrior. Relax and release your back hand to your back leg and lift your opposite arm long. The goal is to lengthen and not dump. Do you see this? If you're doing this, you will feel a huge pull here, but you will feel a dumping sensation in your opposite side. No, lengthen, like you're reaching for something. You're reaching for something. And relax your other arm long. Inhale. Chaturanga. And now we're gonna flow it on the opposite side. Ready? Lift your left leg, square your toes. Plant your left foot in the inside of your hands. Inhale, warrior 1. Step your back foot in to a 45. Square your hips. Raise your hands to frame your face. Engage your core. This is not engaging. Engage your core. Exhale, warrior 2. Extended side angle. Reverse warrior. Again, thank you for joining me today, and namaste. Have a good night.